Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a really cool feature in setmore that can help you expand your business and better serve your clients. We're going to dive into what off-hours booking is, how to set it up, and the benefits it can bring. So, let's get started. What is off-hours booking in setmore? Think about it this way: you're a business owner, and your regular business hours are, say, 9 to 5. But what if you have clients who work different shifts, live in different time zones, or simply prefer to book appointments outside of those hours? That's where off-hours booking comes in. With setmore, you can enable off-hours booking, which allows your clients to schedule appointments even when your team is offline. This is a great way to increase your availability and accommodate more clients, even if you're not physically present. How to set up off-hours booking in setmore. Setting up off-hours booking in setmore is super easy. Just follow these steps. Log in to your setmore account. Go to the Settings tab. Click on your team. Select the team member you want to enable off-hours booking for. Click on the Working Hours tab. Toggle the Allow Off-Hours Booking switch to On. Save your changes. That's it. Now your clients can book appointments outside of your regular business hours. Benefits of off-hours booking. There are a number of benefits to using off-hours booking in setmore. Here are a few of the most significant. Increased availability. By allowing clients to book appointments outside of your regular business hours, you can increase your availability and accommodate more clients. This is especially helpful if you have clients who work different shifts or live in different time zones. Improved customer experience. Offering off-hours booking shows that you're committed to providing excellent customer service. It allows your clients to book appointments at a time that's convenient for them, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased revenue. By booking more appointments, you can increase your revenue. This is especially true if you charge a premium for off-hours bookings. Enhanced flexibility. Off-hours booking can give you more flexibility in how you run your business. For example, you can use it to offer special appointments or discounts during off-peak hours. Additional tips for using off-hours booking. Here are a few additional tips for using off-hours booking in setmore. Set clear expectations. Let your clients know that you offer off-hours booking and explain how it works. This will help to avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. Monitor your off-hours bookings. Keep an eye on your off-hours bookings to make sure that you're able to handle them. You may need to hire additional staff or adjust your schedule to accommodate the increased demand. Promote your off-hours booking. Let your clients know about your off-hours booking option through your website, social media, and other marketing channels. Off-hours booking is a great way to increase your availability, improve your customer experience, and grow your business. If you're not already using it, I highly recommend giving it a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using setmore. If you're interested in learning more about setmore, click on the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial.